1. Click Device Management. In the radar settings, set the radar blind zone distance according to actual operation conditions. Example, for a spray bar 1.8 meter from the radar, set the distance to 2.2 meters. 2. Click Start Work. Enable the obstacle avoidance radar and set the distance according to actual conditions. 3. Drone takeoff. Make sure the RTAKA and RH status is normal before manual takeoff. Fly to the work area and start work. 4. During the cleaning work, the drone will brake and stop when approaching the set obstacle avoidance distance. It will automatically move away from obstacles when the distance is less than the set value. You can control the drone with the roll joystick during the entire operation. 2. Click Start Work. Change the default manual operation to Area Cleaning Mode. 3. Drone Takeoff Area Cleaning Mode. Please ensure the RTAKA and RH status is normal before manual takeoff. When flying to waypoint 1 working height, make the drone face the wall with its nose. Move horizontally to waypoint 2 on the other end. Descend to waypoint 3 working height. Move horizontally to waypoint 4 on the other end. Generate and save a named operation route path. 4. Set operation parameters. Set the operation line spacing, single route repeat times, and flight speed according to actual conditions. Turn on the obstacle avoidance radar and set the distance according to actual conditions. The drone will automatically follow the wall based on the set obstacle avoidance distance. 5. Upload route. Pre-operation check, obstacle avoidance switch, obstacle avoidance distance, flight speed. Execute operation. 6. After the drone takes off and reaches the operation starting point, the drone will slowly adjust its distance from the wall to the set obstacle avoidance distance before starting operation. During the cleaning operation, real-time automatic obstacle avoidance adjustments will be made. You can also manually control ascent or descent via the joystick, pause or enable breakpoints, etc. Click Continue to return to the breakpoint and resume operation. Thanks for watching.